Have you ever wondered if you're actually following the right advice to be successful in your print-on-demand business? If you're not seeing the results that you want, you might have been following the wrong advice all along. Now let's get you ready to fix your mistakes and level up your print-on-demand business in 2024. And in this video, I'm going to expose some wrong advice that you need to stop following right now in 2024. We're going to discover the biggest misconceptions about trends, holidays, scalable designs versus unique designs, improving existing designs, pricing, competition, market saturation, and everything in between. Prepare to gain game-changing insights that will elevate your profits and set you on the path to print-on-demand success in 2024. Now, wrong advice number one, they tell you to stay away from trends. Now, let's debunk the myth that you should avoid trends and focus solely on evergreen designs. You might have heard whispers in the print-on-demand community about this misguided advice. However, trends are like lightning in a bottle that can bring massive profits if harnessed correctly. And while evergreen designs have their place, hopping on viral trends can skyrocket your success in the print-on-demand world. And speaking of trends, guys, I was able to tear up fast and make my record month of $107,000 in 1 month in royalties with trends. And I truly don't think I would have done it with evergreens only. Wrong print-on-demand advice number two, they tell you to get into holidays and you'll sell. Many believe that selling vague holiday designs is the way to go. However, it's a hyper-competitive market out there, guys. This is what you need to understand. But don't worry, I've got a secret sauce for you. Cross-niching and sub-niching. So instead of creating generic holiday designs, why not combine them with other specific niches? By doing so, you'll target a less competitive market and stand out from the crowd. And you might even have a chance to rank in the main niche. Now imagine blending Valentine's Day with a specific niche like gaming. This unique twist will make your design more appealing and it will increase your chances of success. Let me show you a quick example. So if we go to the Valentine's Day niche, as you guys can see, the best-selling design right here is a gaming related design that is specifically tailor-made for Valentine's Day holiday. And there's another sub-niche, Valentine's Day for basketball players or basketball fans, Valentine's Day for dinosaur lovers and monster truck lovers and boys in particular. And if you go to Merch Dominator, you'll be able to see literally countless sub-niches, and you need to analyze the competition that way so that you can know what people are searching for and what people are gravitating towards and where they're spending their money. And using this intelligence, you can better serve that demand and capitalize on that demand. Wrong print-on-demand advice number three, they tell you to avoid scalable designs and rely heavily on unique designs. They say, oh no, stop copying designs, come up with your own unique designs. Well, I see why someone would recommend crafting unique designs and not doing any scalable designs. But I can tell you from experience, they are saying it from the point of view of an artist and not from a print-on-demand seller who wants to make money. Print-on-demand is about finding where people are spending their money and giving them more of what they want while adding a unique twist. That's how money is made, guys, in print-on-demand. Avoiding scalable designs and relying solely on unique designs may not always be the best approach. Scalable designs can be highly effective, especially in the higher tiers. They allow for easy replication and mass production, which can be crucial for scaling your business. I tell you guys, by experience, they take so much time. They also run the risk of attracting copycats once successful. Imagine you've spent all this time crafting these amazing unique designs, one of them is successful, and then copycats will literally find it within a few hours after it sells. You'll get really demotivated. And we all know that dealing with copycats can be frustrating and demotivating. Instead, I recommend you focus on improving validated designs by starting with a design that has already proven successful. You can refine and optimize it to meet the needs of your target audience. This allows you to leverage the scalability of proven designs while incorporating your creativity and unique touch. It's a balance that can help you stand out in the market while also maximizing your efficiency and profitability. And you know what they say, guys? If it's not broken, don't fix it. Don't reinvent the wheel. Do more of what works best. Let me show you an example. Let's say you're doing your research and you find this design right here. You're not going to completely get out of that concept. You're going to use the same kind of idea, the exact same concept, but you're going to change the remote controller, maybe you're going to change the heart, you're going to change the font, maybe you're going to try and make this design better looking. But the reason why people are buying this design is because the whole concept is appealing. So you need to figure out what it is that's appealing to these customers and do more of what they like. But if you can inject your unique touches, your unique personality, your unique spin into it, that is the best recipe for success. Now, while we're speaking about scalable designs, here's an example. So this quote right here, just a girl who loves. It could be any niche after that. Anime, ramen, and sketching. There's one, selling really well. Just a girl who loves dogs. Just a girl who loves dragons. Literally scale it across any niche you could think of. Anything that a girl could possibly love. And then you can mix and match, add a few bits and pieces that you think people are gonna like. Obviously, backed up by research. This is where you need to really be paying attention, what people are buying. So using a tool like Merch Dominator, you know exactly what people are buying, and then incorporate those elements, and incorporating those elements that people are gravitating towards, that is your secret sauce right there. Let me show you another example, and this example that I'm about to show you, I literally crushed it with it. If anything, I was one of the first people to literally pioneer this niche and actually make it mainstream. I kid you not. It's the vintage sunset. This niche right here, you could literally mix it with anything. So you have a vintage sunset and pretty much anything after that. It could be the name of the niche, it could be a graphic, it could be anything. You can mix it with birthdays, but you get the idea. Just type vintage sunset in Merch Dominator and you get all the ideas in the world. You see what I mean? One of the ways we scale is if a new niche or phrase comes out, we scale it across other niches that work well with it, or we scale it across multiple trendy design concepts, etc. So if a new niche comes out, you can scale it across the rainbow design concept, groovy, etc. Wrong print on demand advice number 4. People advise you against improving already existing designs because they say you're not going to be unique or you're just copying other people's designs. Now, while drawing inspiration from successful designs is acceptable, it is crucial to avoid copying them pixel for pixel. Engaging in such behavior can lead to your account being banned. Now, instead, you can add your unique spin or enhance those trending designs. This is the secret sauce for making waves in the print-on-demand world. Remember, the goal is not to be a copycat, but to become a trendsetter. Some people argue that creating unique designs is the way to go. However, if you want to really make that money from print on demand, it doesn't work that way. You need to identify where people are spending their money and find ways to enhance those designs, whether it be through cross-niching, sub-niching, or incorporating trendy design elements such as retro, groovy, and so on and so forth. And I've just showed you an example of how to do that. Wrong print on demand advice number 5. Some people advise you against lowering prices to compete, and I personally think it's a bad idea. Well, let me tell you, that's just plain wrong. Sure, finding a reasonable price range that allows for profit is important. We can all agree on that. But here's the thing, when you're going after a big niche in print on demand and you want to sell organically, sometimes you need to play the pricing game. It's like a strategic dance where you lower the price until something sells and starts ranking. And once you've got that momentum going, guess what? You can increase the price. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Why would I want to lower my price? Well, let me explain. When you lower the price, you're creating a temptation for your potential customers. It's like offering them a delicious discount that they just can't resist. And once they've taken the bait and made the purchase, your product starts getting reviews, gaining visibility, and ranking high in search results. Here's a catch. If you're running ads to promote your product, you don't necessarily need to lower the price because you're already paying for visibility through those ads. In that case, you can focus on other strategies to differentiate yourself, like creating unique and eye-catching designs. So don't be afraid to lower those prices when it's necessary. It's all about playing the game smartly and strategically. Remember, sometimes a small sacrifice in profit margins can lead to long-term success. I'm telling you guys, this works for a fact. I personally tiered up to tier 120,000 literally just following this strategy. And then, as I've said many times before, we started only working with ads and creating very, very high quality designs and promote them with ads. If I could get my accounts up to that level, literally only using organic traffic through this method of no profit strategy, you can do it too. Because at the end of the day, people are cheap. They want a bargain, right? Let's say they see this design right here and they like it. Got so many reviews and it's selling at $19.99. They go to themselves, I want it a bit cheaper. Let me see if I can find a cheaper design which is also high quality. So what they do is they go here and they click on price low to high. There are so many other designs just like the other one. one, and the mock-up looks the exact same, and they can buy it. This is exactly what I'm saying, for $13.38 instead of $19.99. Although actually this one looks like an exact copy of the bestseller, which I never advise you to do, guys. This one is slightly different. It's using the exact same concepts. It's a very, very close copy though. I would not go this close, and I prefer the original anyway. Wrong print on demand advice number 6. Some people say the market is too saturated. Now, one common misconception in the print on demand industry is the belief that the market is too saturated, there's too much competition, merch by Amazon, print on demand is dead. Well, if we all said that, we would not be here. We would not be making all this money from print on demand, merch by Amazon. People often discourage others from entering high competition niches or even industries, fearing that their designs will get lost in the crowd. But let me tell you something. It's time to flip that advice on its head. Instead of avoiding high competition niches, I encourage you to embrace them, because high competition means high demand. Sure, it may seem intimidating at first, but with the right approach, the right tools, Merch Dominator, you can stand out from the crowd and make your mark. I just had to give Merch Dominator a plug there. But no, seriously. Now here's the secret. Cross niche and sub niche your design. Take popular themes and put your own unique spin on them. Inject your creativity, your personality, your style into every single design you create. By doing this, you'll create something truly special that resonates with your target audience. And don't shy away from competition, embrace it and make it work for you. Plus, there are always new niches popping up every single day. If you're using Merch Dominator, I mean it, guys, you'll be spoiled for choice. Wrong print on demand advice number 7. Some people say, make designs that you would personally buy. Do what you like doing. Guys, when it comes to print on demand, creating designs that you personally would buy is often seen as sound advice. This is what some people would tell you to do. But what you might buy doesn't necessarily reflect what sells well in the market. To truly succeed in the print on demand business, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and identify the designs that are in high demand, instead of solely focusing on your personal preferences. Targeting popular and trending designs is key to achieving success in this competitive industry. You can find countless profitable niche opportunities with Merch Dominator every single day, so you will never run out of opportunities. I'm telling you guys for a fact that I wouldn't wear any of my best-selling designs. Literally, I wouldn't. But I chose to sell them because they are validated and I know they would sell because they've already sold. And I've improved them and they are selling. I'm not emotionally attached to any of my designs, and that is the secret in making money in print on demand. Now, looking at these t-shirts right here, would I wear any of them? I really don't think so. It's not my style. It's not what I do. It's not what I like. It's not my preference. I would make any of these designs every single day for people that want to wear them, because that is their preference and that's what I am selling. And I really enjoy making these kind of designs. It's not that I don't like these designs. I don't like wearing them because it's not me. It's not my personality. I'm more like a plain kind of guy. You know what I mean? Don't like all the bells and whistles, all the colors and stuff like that. But yeah, each to their own. I'm going to leave you guys links to all the services and print on demand resources that you need in the description. Whether you need a Merch by Amazon account, my full Merch by Amazon course, the Profitable Niches service, one-to-one coaching, the free ultimate guide to print on demand success, $10K a month formula, PDF, or any of the print on demand tools and resources, either for free or with heavy discounts. You'll find all the links down below in the description. I hope you found this video useful, and if you want a discount for Merch Dominator, 50% discount, use coupon code 50OFF. You'll find the link down below in the description and also the coupon code. Like, subscribe, comments and all that jazz, and I'll see you in the next video.